All right, guys, good afternoon. Ray Colin here with Techout, and today I want to talk about the Galaxy and the delayed updates and what's going to happen to the 7 years of software updates that the Galaxy S24 was promised, and how that I think is going to work. Now, Samsung hasn't actually said anything on this matter, but with the update for One UI 7 being so delayed on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's probably going to be coming out right before One UI 8. We are expecting that One UI 8 is going to come out on time over the summer, kind of maybe towards, like August, like it usually does, around the same time frame. It's not going to be delayed so far out like One UI 7 was. One UI 7, they said, was a pretty big update, and it took years of development and stuff like that, and testing and all this kind of stuff. They've run into a couple bumps here and there, which is why it is so far delayed on the older devices. And the S24 Ultra and the S24 series was promised 7 years of software updates. Now, that doesn't necessarily, in my opinion, mean that you're going to get 7 updates. 7 years of updates is 7 years of updates. Whether you get 1 update in a year, or you miss a year and get 2 updates in a year, and then so on and so forth. Usually, in my opinion, what's going to happen is Samsung has a set 7 years from when the Galaxy S24s were announced. So like 2031, I believe, somewhere around there, you're going to lose the software support. Now, whether you get an update in 2025 and 2026, or you get 2 updates in 2025 and an update in 2026, and so on and so forth, I don't think you're necessarily going to get 7 updates. You may get 7 years of updates, but how many updates in a year you get, that wasn't any kind of guarantee or promise or mentioned anywhere. What Google does with the Pixels is they say the Pixel 6 is supported until X year. The Pixel 7 is supported till X year. The Pixel 8 is supported till X year. So when that year comes, you only get security updates after that. You don't get the major Android updates. So it's not necessarily that you're going to get 7 major Android updates. Now, some manufacturers do say that you're going to get 7 major releases, or 3 major releases, or whatever the case may be. But they said 7 years of updates. So that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get 7 Android updates or 7 One UI updates. So I think that's what they're going to do. They'll probably support it till sometime in 2031, about the 7-year mark, and then either you won't get any updates after that, or you're only going to get like major security updates after that. So One UI 7 still delayed. We're looking at maybe March or April, possibly May at the latest. But sometime probably around April is looking most likely right now. I'm Colin with Tech. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.